Hello friends, hope you are all doing well and have a great life. So today in this video I'm gonna show you some amazing crochet dishcloths and crochet towels designs for the kitchen, and you can wipe your hand. You can crochet dishcloths are a great project for beginners, and there are myriad of free dishcloths crochet patterns available in designs in this video. So like kitchen towels can be used for several different purposes, including drying dishes without leaving streaks, drying hands, wipe up spills, disinfecting countertops and oven mitts or hand mitts. So you can use it for different type of purposes, and as you can see the color schemes and the patterns are totally different from one another, so you can customize it the way you want it to be, and you can take orders in bulk for your customers, because these have really good potential to get and to open a shop, so you can serve it the way you want it to be. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.